For today's project, we're using a 1x4 as the base material. Also found a couple of scrap pieces of 3/4 by 3/4 strips that I'll be using in this project. So this simple wooden jewelry organizer is one of Etsy's pick, and today I'm going to show you how you can make that, whether you're looking for a gift idea or a new product to put in your shop to sell, or just a fun weekend project. This checks all those boxes. The bottom tray will be about 12.5 inches long. As you can see, I glued the strips already to the bottom piece, and then I'm cutting one side at a 30-degree angle. Then I cut a small piece for the other side that's 2.5 inches. And then I'll attach that to the other side to make a tray. Hello and welcome to the channel if this is your first time. If it's not your first time, then welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. Next, I trimmed off the other end of the bottom piece. Now to create the channel for the rods, I'm using my split square to estimate approximately 60 degrees to drill a hole to using a Forstner bit. I didn't get it exactly, so later on I'll be using my Dremel to adjust the opening so that the rods will lay in there straight parallel to the bottom tray. The rest of the process is pretty easy to follow through. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I'll do my best to respond as quickly as possible. As you can see, to hold the rod secure, I used some wood glue and pin nails. To finish it, I'm using a water-based stain which actually has polyurethane added to it. So it's a one-step stain in polyurethane, and the color is dark walnut. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video up to this point. Until the next video, I hope you'll have a tangible experience of God's love today. See you in the next one. You don't have to leave just yet. You can watch one of the other videos showing up on your screen. Thank you.